last year in our garden, we noticed with our potatoes, they actually had hollow areas in the middle of the potato, and I'm wondering what we did wrong.
I forget what it was called. Hollow heart.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what happens is that when your potatoes are growing, then they don't have enough water, whether they're, it's whether through you or irrigation or whatever, or rain, then the tuber grows without the middle. Basically, it grows like the outside portion of the potato, and then the tuber doesn't grow the middle. And then once it has water, it does grow. Once it has more access to water, it does grow more on the inside, but it doesn't always fill in the center.
And that center is sometimes, or most times, kind of a brownish, blackish, almost to the, you would think, it's kind of like the similarities to blossom inrot on tomatoes. It doesn't get enough of something, so it can't form the what it needs to do in order to form. That's what's happening. The potato is edible. You can just remove that portion from the center of the potato. And I have also seen this in some store-bought potatoes too, some russets that have the hollow heart in them as well.